Are we ready to go? Is this mic on? I think it's showtime, folks. You guys wonder, what the heck is that noise, bro? What are these pieces moving? You've been able to see the board. Yeah, kind of, but we can humble ourselves, folks. We gotta humble ourselves. There we go. Okay, we're a little more humble now. Can you see the rest of the board? I think you can. Man, what is going on? Dude, Jason, how you doing? Jason's been here a lot lately, dude. It's good to have you around. Oh, hey, Big Bear, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? Truth, what's going on, guys? Everyone is coming in. We are hanging out. I'll tell you this, man. There's so much stuff going on today. It's a little bit cray-cray. It's just a little bit cray-cray, folks. There's a chess freestyle event going on that, to be honest, I kind of wanted to play. Well, I didn't want to play. Well, I mean, I wanted to play. Okay, wait. Here's the deal. I'm not going to play in this tournament. So forget that. The playing thing, okay. I wanted to go to it, guys. I wanted to go to it in Vegas. Then I decided to do the more humble USA versus India in Arlington, Texas in October. I'm going to be going there. Covering the news, folks, for you guys. I'll see Hikaru, I'll see Levy, I'll see Fabiano. I haven't met Levy yet, but he might get lucky in October, get to meet me. What's happening here? I see black, and Hans is playing black, and he's up a piece. So Robson blundered. This was equal. Way back here was equal, and then, like back here was equal. It was very equal. Well, it's liking white. It's liking white. But look at the clocks, guys. 2:31 for Hans and 27 for Ray Robson. So Robson had the advantage, and then he made a huge blunder right here, I guess. Playing this move as a blunder. So Hans equalizes. Again, Robson with 27 seconds, Hans with 2 or something. Okay, maybe those are the current times. But the point is, Hans was up 2 minutes. And now, Hans is just absolutely crushing him. Black is winning because Black has all the time in the world to take the pawn. You just take, you step over, you make a queen, you put it in front of the pawn, and then you just run a king over. He even brings king this way. I love that. Bang, 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 bang. And then he can start checking. He can come here, and it's game over. Yeah, Robson resigned. Wow, Hans was losing that game, guys. No, yeah, I think Hans was losing that game. But here's what you guys got to see. Here's what you guys got to see. You got to see what he did to Arjun, to number 5 in the world, folks. Number 5 in the world. This is a quick one, guys. This is a quick one. Doing well. Hope you're doing well too, man. Big Bear, I'm doing great, man. Big Bear of Texas. I love that, man. When I lived in California, up on the mountains, there's a town called Big Bear. Big Bear, California. And when you say Big Bear of Texas, I think you're saying like you're an actual Big Bear of Texas, which I like. Hey, I'm in Texas too. I love Texas. Check me. Okay, this is chess 960, so the pieces are arranged randomly. Well, kind of. They choose a position out of 960 possible positions. It's weird, but it eliminates opening theory, and it makes you be a better chess player. You also have to learn how to be good at chess 960. But look here. Look at Arjun's blunder. Blunder. White is winning. Why? Here's why. Watch. Because of this. And because of this. It's too much. If takes, queen takes, we're attacking here. Right? If takes, bishop takes. We're on the queen. We have a check. This rook's trapped, and you can't take because this is mate. So it's crushing, and so of course, poor Arjun. He's only rated number 5th in the world, and Hans the Moke Niemann plays this great move. Check it out, pinning. He castles. Yeah, that's castling in freestyle. Castle's defending, castle's attacking. The knight's gone, guys. It's gone. Takes, bishop, check, takes, check, and world number 5 resigned. Hans destroyed the guy. And Hans has 3 minutes, and Arjun had 42 seconds on his clock. He destroyed him up on time 2.5 minutes. That was round 1. Then we just saw a little bit of the round 2 game that was going on where he, I think he was losing against Ray Robson. Ray Robson is an amazing person, guys. Ray Robson. Ooh, we get the free. Wait. This is the Endgame.AI. We're gonna check this out. Ray Robson, when he was 14, his coach called, what's his name? Danny Wrench on chess.com and says, hey, are you going to add new puzzles? Danny's like, why? He said, because Ray knows them all. He's like, what do you mean he knows them all? Like he knows how to do them all? He said, no, he knows them all. Ray Robson memorized every single puzzle on chess.com to where he could just look at it, remember the puzzle, and know the answer. He's not even really looking at what the best move is or anything. He's just like, oh, I know this one. And he could just play it. All of them. And so I think he was like world puzzle champion 4 years in a row or something. Ray Robson, man. Yeah. Pretty strong. Cool. Big Bear's going to move over to Facebook. Cool. See you there, brother. No puzzle jail for Ray. Dude, Ray is not going to puzzle jail. You say, what is this website you're looking at, Charlie? Oh, man, we got humble earlier. Should I get a little bit even more? Should we show just a tad more humility, folks? I hate to. You know my face, guys. You know I'm full of myself, right? I'm only doing this to hear myself talk. So if I say anything stupid, it's just I wanted to hear myself say that stupid thing. This is... Oh, this is this is called Endgame.AI. This is Hans Niemann's new chess platform. Okay? There's a puzzle here. Make a move for black. I'm covering that up. I'm not worried about that. Let's play a 1-minute bullet game on this platform before we do anything and see what it feels like. They say it feels better than chess.com. It feels perfectly fast like Lead Chess. Now, the board... Oh, man. Should I start a 10-minute rapid? See, I'm afraid to hit go, and then you guys won't be able to see the game. Let's just move forward. We'll go here. 3+2. I hate 3+2. Niemann beat Robson. Made him resign. I know, but he was losing. He was just way up on time. Oh, so when I say 3+2, we'll take this guy. Okay, the board's not too bad. We'll play E4, E6, D3. This guy's 1632 question mark. Okay. I want to play F4 so bad. I'm not going to. I'm gonna put my blinders on and play my setup, guys. D3 hole could come weak after takes, queen D3. If I have to play this, I will. Plays this move. Okay, wait, what did he do? Castello. So he makes a full Castello scenario. I'm gonna play this move. Because I'm supposed to, guys. Trey, what's up? Dude, we're gaming tonight. Okay. Make a Castello. Abbott would be proud. I have ideas. We need to move this rook and this knight. Okay, now. Do we give him the spatula? Required. No. Play this Manunu. Not allowing expansion. Okay. Bill Stevens, how you doing, man? No. Dude, open mic was great last night. Brought my Telecaster, played some guitar. Okay. It goes like this, right? Queen's gonna come here, or here. He's going this way. So do we shove? No. We protect. If we got to push, we can push. He can double, triple attack. Then what do we do? Okay, now we can attack this pawnster. This might not have been the Manunu. I said to come here. It's okay, I can come here. Same thing. El Marty, how you doing, man? El Marty, we played the other day, right? Where's he going? We can look at this and provoke. I'm going to provoke. Now I can play check and pick up the knight and threaten the rook. So we're going to do it. Take the knight and be threatening the rook. So we save the bishop, we win a piece. There we go. Also, this could be really brutal. He defends and he attacks my knight, but it doesn't do anything because we're just going to take his knight. We might not get his knight, but I still think this is a good move. Okay. Now I can take here, hit the queen. The queen comes here, we can take here on this. This bishop is probably okay to leave. You know what I'm saying? And if I come here, he could play this move. But then I could take this way and still get that. So I think we take here and crush. If he pins me, we just take and we're on this. He would defend it, and then we save our... Yep. Now we take this. Wait. There are ideas too. No, we definitely take here. Oh, can he draw with a bunch of... Should I take here and save the bishop and just be up? I'm going to lose on time. Bend. Because if he saves this, I save this. And I'm still up a piece. And we brought the last piece. So I should have seen this. A master saw this move instantly. Now we still have all the same threats. Oh, that's probably a good move. But this is still under attack. Yeah, and I'm losing on time. I blew it, folks. I can't save this. So now I only have 2 pieces for the rook. And my pieces don't have a whole bunch of love. They don't have a lot of love, guys. What's that noise? Oh, it was the game. I dropped my queen. I'm going to resign. Okay, dude. You hear the timer? Okay, that was my first game. The guy's name was Bag Rock. My first game on Endgame.AI, guys. Guys, you know what? Okay, the interface felt fine. It felt good. So far, I think this is free. Bill Stevens says, do you find it's lots of the same songs every week, or do people show up with new songs each week? Very often the same songs. Nathan Watson says it's the world famous Chess Chillers tournament day. It is. Oh, guys, get in. Wait, what do we have here? Oh, yeah. I showed you guys the Arjun game. So now I can go to social, clubs. We got to join the tournament, guys. Got to join the tournament. Join. I'm in. I hit the big green button. Oh, I'm not going to play right now. I'm in DC mode. Okay, so I clicked the big green button multiple times. Want to let me in? There we go. We're in. I'm going to get you guys the link to the tournament. If you don't have an account on chess.com, I'm going to tell you how to do that right now. It's very simple. On chess.com. Chess.com. This is completely free. Like signing up to chess.com is always free. They do have paid plans. You can spend money if you want to, but it's free. Join chess.com here with my free affiliate link, folks. This right here explains it. And bam, there we go. Okay, now that's how you join chess.com. Now, once you get in chess.com, you need to know how to join the tournament. If you have a chess.com account, but you want to join the tournament, I'm going to tell you how to do that right now. All right, it's very simple, guys. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Bang, bang, and bang. YouTube's is truncated, but you'll still get the message. Then, once all that's done, I'm gonna give you the link to the tournament. It's very simple. It's very simple, guys. This tournament's been running a long time, guys. This tournament's been running a long time. You definitely want to get involved. Join tourney here. Bang, bang. I am the warrior. There you go. There's you guys join tourney there. There. Oh no, I got to copy the join tourney here. Here we go. Guys, we're getting set up for an amazing day of chess. Tournament day is the biggest stream of the week, and I absolutely love it. Here we go. Hans beat Arjun, number 5 in the world, and he just beat Ray Robson. He was losing, but he won. So that's good. It's good to see the underdog Hans, the black sheep of the family, folks, absolutely coming at it with the big numbers, with the big wins. Okay, I guess we can just cope with that. Okay, so we got all that. Now, there's a major thing going on in the World Series of Poker, guys. The World Series of Poker. Mizrachi. He just won like this PPC Players something championship, $50,000 entry. It's like the most prestigious one because it's a $50,000 entry, not $10,000 like the World Series of Poker. And all the best players play, and when you win that, it's more prestigious than winning the main event. The main event is harder to win because you got to get lucky. Because there's how many people in the main event? 10,000 or something stupid. And it's like swimming through shark-infested waters for 7 days. You got to be really, really good, and then you have to get really, really lucky. This tournament's much smaller, and he's won it 4 times, and he just won it in June. Michael Mizrachi just won it in June, his 4th time, which is insane. Now he is at the final table of the World Series of Poker, and he has almost all the chips. I think he has like 75% of the chips with 4 people left. He has like 4 million. I think one guy has 1 million, and the other 2 guys have like, I don't know, something stupid. 19 million and 30 million, or it's just whatever it is. Yeah, he's crushing it. So he's probably going to win the main event too. It's crazy. I've been watching that live yesterday. It starts again at the same exact time the tournament starts. Ain't gonna lie, I might pull up the old tablet. Got this from my son. Well, I say I got it from my son. My son was actually selling. He was selling, and he was doing AT&T and different stuff like that, phones and different stuff. And I'm like, I need a tablet, so he hooked me up. Okay, let's look at some other chess. Okay, Chess Sweeper. I've heard of this Chess Sweeper, but I don't know what it means. Chess Sweeper. Well, let's look at the analysis instead. Let's look at the analysis for this game. Maybe it's good. Maybe their analysis is better. Ooh, it's got little stats, guys, like server analysis. I played horrible. I was winning. I was crushing. Okay, it's got some little numbers down here, guys. It's got some little numbers. Like, over here in the bottom right, inaccuracy by me, 1 inaccuracy by him. I played 80%. He played 76%. 1 mistake by me, 1 by him. 3 blunders by me, 2 by him. 0 missed wins, and he had 1 missed win. Wow. Okay, so you can do a little bit of analysis. There's a squiggler at the very bottom. You see it? I can't put that on my squiggler cam right now, guys. Chest sweeper. Do you guys know how to do that? It doesn't work. Or is it chest weeper? So what's wrong? Chess or Endgame.AI? None of these things work. Events. Watch. Am I still streaming? Did my internet shut off? No, my internet is absolutely amazing. They made amazing upgrades to my internet, folks. All these buttons seem to be dead. I don't want to start another game. I was just working a minute ago. Okay, Hans. We're going to let you go ahead and get back to that, Hans, because you might need a little more help on your site. Okay, I can move my face back now, and we can get into some chess. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the heck is going on? I think I moved the whole board, guys. Did I move the whole board? No, the board's okay. The board looks okay. And if we come here, we're good, right? Okay, we're back home, guys. We're back home. Everyone needs to calm down. We have 2 people in the tournament so far. Me and the Bremer at 662. I moved the sections in the tournament around today. There is an open winner, of course, as always. Then there will be an under 1,300 winner, an under 800 winner, and an under 500 winner. Bill Stevens says it's the most prestigious chess tournament in the galaxy, and podium winners have to go on to do incredible things. It's basically better than all other tournaments. This tournament, oh yeah, oh, here for sure. No, winning this tournament is how you start your chess career. Yeah, you definitely want to win the Chillers tournament. You know, there was an interview with Vladimir Kramnik, and he said, I have yet to win the Chillers tournament, and it will be my ultimate glory. Even better than becoming world championship, beating Garry Kasparov. See, people will be like, if you want to talk smack about Kramnik, you just say, like, Kramnik became world champion when he defeated a declining Garry Kasparov. Huh? That's how you slant, guys. That's how you slant. Yeah. That's how you put that's how you put down Garry Kasparov. Or no, that's how you put down Vladimir Kramnik's world championship title achievement. You know what I'm saying? Little words like that, man. They do it all day long. You can't watch anything, guys. No news is real. None of this is real. None of this is real. God, I felt like I wanted to get up and run across the room like I was on fire, like Ricky Bobby right there. What do we do? How much time we got for the tournament? We got plenty of time, guys. I say we get water, and I'm going to take you guys with me, guys. We got the coffee cam, okay? We're going to make a cup of coffee. We're going to grab some Wawa. Did you guys ever watch that guy? The gamer guy. He does, like, gaming news. He says Wawa a lot, guys. Grab some Wawa. Let's go. Breaking news. You know how they say, like, the more you learn, the more you realize you don't know? And I've read a lot of poker books. I have hundreds of hours, not thousands. Definitely hundreds of hours playing, cash games. Some tournaments, some sit and goes. And I'm starting to cross into the next level of understanding how big it really is and exactly what they're really doing. And how much work it's going to take to do that. I'm very interested in it. So I'm going to continue learning. But I'm just going to probably do it in baby steps because like my goal is not to play the World Series of Poker. But that's just a thinking game. It's kind of like chess. It's like if you work on it, you get better at it. You know what I mean? People are blown away. People learn how to play chess and they just see me make a few moves and draw a few arrows and they're like, they have no clue. And it's like I'm a mediocre player. You know, but beginners, lower rated players, they can't believe that anyone thinks about that many things while they're playing chess. But it's just like the path, you know what I'm saying? And man, oh man, I'm seeing these top level guys play poker. And it's just insane. It's insane the work they're doing while they're playing. Hey, if you could just win millions of dollars, everybody would do it, right? All right, we got to play a warm-up game, folks. Warm-up game time. Oh, man. Dave Joyce, how you doing, man? Daniel Abbott, you playing today, brother? I say you get involved. New game. Okay, tournament starts in 34 minutes. So I have time to play a 10-minute game. No increment. Don't play games out of the tournament. You might lose. Okay. We already lost one game. I'm going to win this game. Wow. Can't even pin it. This is not great for me. But look. He's supposed to develop a piece and we're supposed to be even, but I have two developed. Okay, so we'll come. We don't want to come here because he will definitely push with tempo. So, do I push here? No, because that takes time. I could come here, and then I could castle with check with a free move. Right? Take the free move. He's going to tuck. He's going to tuck. Now I can check and bring the knight in and get the bishop. Or I could develop. But I think this check is brutal. Check, knight. And I'm threatening to win the rook. So takes, and I can't maintain the rook. You play king c7 back. No, because I have bishop c5. This is probably the move, guys. I don't really want to do it, but I want to do it. But I don't want to do it, but I want to do it. What does one simply do here? This doesn't pin. You know what I'm saying? It develops, but it doesn't pin. It just puts it on a square that's like with an... I'm ahead in development, though. And this spends moves. But if he comes back, I have takes. And where does this bishop... This bishop can come here. This bishop can come here now. He'll play a6 for sure. Will I be sad? I'm going in. So many gyms end up becoming poker players. Yeah, you lost to a 1950 last night. Super disappointed. Daniel, did you play well? Did you try and beat him? Did you try and beat him? This is protected. Wow! This almost wins. Check here. Takes. Rook here could be a really good move if I could somehow pull it off, but I can't. So we're going to try and hope for that move coming up later. I don't need to do this yet. I can develop the, yeah, I can develop. Now he can do this and this, though, is the thing. But, and I'll just have to come back. But I don't mind him pushing all his pawns in front of his king. He's not going to checkmate me. Yep. Yeah, just king B1. Just king B1? Really? Just king B1? I want to get rid of this knight. And put this rook here. Oh, there's so many ideas with this. Might be able to come up. Wow, I'm seeing some tactiques, folks. Push. No. Bishop check, push. Knight takes. Pawn takes, bishop takes, check, knight takes. Keep you on the bishop. I was looking at coming in. This is going to help him. Can I push here? He'll just push by, which should be very, very smart. But then when the knight comes, I can take with the pawn. White is better. Yeah. A lot of GMs I could see playing poker because it's the same kind of thing in you can do a whole bunch of work and memorize a whole bunch of stuff and just be better than most people just based on that. Of course, you need experience. There's a lot more to it than that. But it's really a thing, man. If you just brute force memorized all the stuff you're supposed to memorize. Okay. And he gave himself a hole, too. That's what I feel bad about. Let's go. Wait. He can do this if he wants to. He'll undefend this. Takes. We'll double up on this. And on B5, I'll be on this. And then we can bring the other rook. Where's this knight? Can it go? He goes. I can take a piece. And if he takes my bishop, I get out with the rook. And I get this. And he messes his pawns up. So I'm going to take this, and if king takes, I have bishop check. So I think we're okay. I think we're still clearly better. Just king b1 win, way back there. Just king b. Okay. Now I have a check if I yount it. Come up. So I can bring the rook. This is brutal. Coming in. If he comes here, I can do this with an idea. I also could pin, but he just plays rook over. I think the idea is to indubitably. Is it an indubitable scenario? He can play bishop. Nope, then I have takes. Wait, no, I don't. There's a move like this threatening this. If he comes in, bishop check. See what I'm saying? We're like, we're walking him into our pawns, guys. And oh my God, this could be an insane move. But he just plays rook over. Oh no, but then I could like win a pawn and get the rook. I'm doing this. Even though this was a beautiful thing, I'm threatening check. Oh, he can play rook up, I guess? He plays bishop? No, I don't have that because this protects it too. comes here, he stops the check. But I have attack on this. So I could just take this. I thought it was doubling his pawns. Did I undouble his pawns? What the? Oh, he didn't go for that line. He brings the knight. Let's just bring him in, guys. I'm gonna come this way. I'm gonna come this way! Okay, wait. If I come this way, check. There's a mate here, guys. Shutting off chat. Well, I'm not shutting off chat. There's too many chats. Guys, white to mate. It must be. Check. He has a square. But if I check this way, he has a square. It's probably just bring a rook. But the discovered check seems fun. Check, king back. There's no... Oh, then I can do this maybe? No, it doesn't work. Isn't that brutal? Check, king back. Well, it blocks the rook, though. But then my bishop's hanging. This way... There's no increment, guys. He has one good move. And then I just did that to stop my clock from burning so gnarlily. He has one move, man. That was well worth the time. Then I got to go like this. Okay. Now if I come back and he comes back here, he offered a draw. Check and he comes back out to save my bishop. Oh, then I can come here. If he comes back, I could come back and threaten this, but then he... Oh, yeah. Or I think I just come here. Right? Now if I come here, I'm hitting the pawn. And he's cut off, right? And then we just bring the other rook. That was the maneuver. I didn't see it. He says, cringe move. You or me? Cringe. What does that mean? The guy said, cringe move. I said, me or you or me, cringe? What does that mean? Never mind, it's a good move. Oh, okay, I didn't know. Thank you. He says he thought it was a repetitive move for black. Now that brings the knight attacking. He traps it. Now we come here. But how do I win? But how do I win? Check takes in here. You know what I'm saying? He's not threatening anything, though. But I could just literally come check. King moves, takes, and then take here. Am I up a piece? No, I'll be up 2 pawns with broken pawns. I think, I mean, guaranteed this is the move. The reason why it is the move guaranteed is because another idea is this move. But no, I'm going to bring the last piece. I could have bailed out and won a pawn, guys. I'm already up one pawn. I could have bailed out, won a pawn, broke his teeth, and still been way ahead in development. But I'm like, don't take the pawn, don't take the pawn, don't take the pawn. Don't take the pawn. Because we're supposed to be crushing here. Bring the last piece. This guy has this. That's probably a great move. But what about bishop and then push? What about push? Pawn takes, bishop d5. Bishop d5 first, and then push. He has bishop. Thing is, he has this move. Should I just cash in, guys? Guys, I have 2 minutes. We'll find the mate. We'll find the mate later, guys. I can push here. I can push here now because of the bishop. Push. Or takes and just takes, and we just have a way better position and the pawns will win the endgame up time. Pushing could be the maneuver. He gets a trade. I didn't see it. I should have cashed in. But this pawn could be too much. If he takes, I think I take with a rook. No, I can't take it with a rook. That is brutal. If I do this, oh my God, my rook's in front of my pawn. That's horrible. Okay, takes. Now, I'm threatening something. Wow, he attacked. Okay, we'll just come here. You come here, we do this, and he has nothing. This is a pin stir. He can try to get rid of my rook. Actually, he probably should. Probably wasn't best, man. I could take here and then check. No. Oh, but this is a huge threat, I think. We'd have to defend that way. I didn't get my knight where I wanted it to, guys. He goes this way. This is a major threat. I'm gonna lose on time, guys. Now he can play rook here. The bishop covers his square lot, so that's pretty cool. This is horrible. Okay, so that was not the best move by any means. Knight. I could just kick it and there's no forks. This knight just I come back. What if I do this in here? I have to take, I guess. I didn't want to. You could take check. So he won my pawn, and I dropped my rook. I'm gonna resign. Dude, that game was so crazy. I got an amazing position, and threw it away. Threw it away big time. We're gonna look at the squiggler, and we're gonna see the checkmate. Did you see a checkmate? Give me 7 bishop a5, right? But then what? Bo, how you doing, man? That's what we're going to do, Dave Joyce. We're going to find it. It probably wasn't the best move, but we had all the time in the world. Play King B1. Oh, I get it. Worry about knight before later. See, I have a feeling I'm not going to have a chance to. It says I played like a 2,000. He played like a 2,200. You fought well that game before dropping a piece. It can be frustrating, but it happens to all of us. I don't feel so good about that, folks. We're going to do an unboxing. Squiggler Cam says about what I thought. I build my advantage. I build it. It gets bigger. I'm on top of the world. Okay, I play in inaccuracy. I'm still winning. Okay, I even play a really bad move. I'm still winning. Womp, womp, womp. You get the end of the game. Full chokeage, folks. Okay, let's find the checkmate. Oh, no, because I guess there wasn't a mate. Start the review view. Okay, we're going to go to the opening book. Yeah, I don't think there's Grandmaster games in this position, because no Grandmasters ever would play this move. Guys, this is bad. Okay, there's a 2400 that played it and lost. Every game in this position, white won, and it's because of what I played. No? What do these guys play? C4 is the most common move here. I don't know what's wrong with doing this. I feel like I just get an advantage. Like, it's not just that they can't castle, guys, because when someone can't castle, that's not the end of the world. The queens are off the board. But I have a great... Okay, it liked that. It liked that. It liked that. It liked this. It wanted bishop f4. Oh, and now I wish I would have played it. Because bishop f4 takes it diagonally. Bishop f4 here. Right? Knight c6. I still control e5, man. Yeah. Bishop e3 was best. That was best. That was best. Mistake. Knight d6. It wants knight d6 instantly, which was my original plan, but I was trying to be a good boy. Did you play Rambling Man? Got it in my head. Lord, I was born a rambling man. You talking about that one? Some friend of mine was asking me if I played. You know, I actually used to do it many years ago. I did that song a couple of times in bands. And then, but it's been 30 years. And then a girlfriend of mine asked, she's been here before, Ashley. She was streaming a little bit and stuff. She's all, do you know Ramblin' Man? I'm like, Allman Brothers? She's all, don't mess around with any old Ramblin' Man. It's like a Waylon song, I think. She had the other, she said a Ramblin' Man, Bill Stevens, but then she was talking about the one I was just singing. Totally different Ramblin' Man. Bishop c4 is not best, guys. Knight d6. This is the line I was looking at. Knight d6, bishop d6, rook d6. Yeah, king c7 is what I looked at. Bishop c5. Okay, yeah. And then this is great for me. I'm up a pawn, and he still can't castle. And I am going to be fine on the developmental side of things. It wants knight d6. I develop. Knight d6 is best. There. That was best. Best. Nope, not best. Bishop f4 check. King b6. Rook d7. Same ideas. Rook e8. Rook hd1. Nope, it wants to just go ahead and go for this. Oh, and that, yep. Wow, but that was his best move, really? Oh, no, it said rook e8. Not rook d8. Rook e8. Not allowing that. Check. King b7. Bishop e5 check. King b6. Bishop c7. King b7. See, what are you supposed to do? It would be a draw. Takes. This is not the exact line. That's not the exact line, but see the bailout, guys? I'm not a genius that I saw it, but the point is I'm up 2 pawns. His teeth are broken. I got a rook in the 7th, and I'm ahead in development. What do you want, Charlie? Maybe you don't have to checkmate your opponent on move number whatever. 10 minutes. Good. Dude, we actually have time to look at this game for a second. We're not going to go for 10 minutes, but... Okay, so... bishop f4 earlier, but I got to play the contact check because it's a contact check. I come in, he plays his blunder, here. Okay, it wants bishop a5, so I play bishop a5. Oh, it's even saying bishop d8. Bishop d8, king b8. Bishop d5, pinning. Rook a7, unpin. Wow. Nice play, rook takes rook. Oh, no, you take here. It's winning. So that's winning? This way is winning? This was the way. Here. Now, what if knight takes? I guess he's just in too much trouble because this is blocking this. Did you win by checkmate, Cherry? Congratulations. Daniel says his teeth are broken. I like it. They look like. That's a rare stump store for me. I've never heard of another rambling man. I'm not so sure, but you know the song I'm talking about, right? I think it's a Waylon song. It's plus 4.6. I'm supposed to play that line I just showed you. Check. Here. I have nothing. Knight back was best. Check. Now I got to do it. I should do it again. Just do it. Just go, man. Check. King b8. Should just do this. And then king goes where to b6 and then just rip. This is winning. It's clearly better. I mean, there's nothing bad happening here at all for me. It's plus 3.1. So I should have cashed in, used some of your moves. I felt like my IQ increased 20 points. Cherry, you've been playing some chess, huh? That's awesome. That's good to hear. Yeah, it is crazy that there wasn't a mate, huh? I was pretty sure there might be. This is a mistake. I should have cashed in, just took the other pawn. And by doing that, I'm getting lower on time, and I overlooked the fact that he could just take my bishop. It's like I lost complete understanding of what was happening. I needed to just take. Okay, I'm still winning. Best. That was okay. It wants bishop h3, bishop f5. Yeah, that was not a good idea. It's not bad still. Best. That was a blunder. Studs. No. Okay, here's a position. I had no idea what to do. I was low on time. How do I not just see the best move instantaneously? It could be push. Probably not. It wants a4. Knight b8. That's not knight b8. That's a blunder. This is knight b8. Covering the pawn. Yeah, knight d2. It wants me to move around, guys, because this knight sucks. Yeah, now it's equal. What do I do? Oh, yeah, to play king e2. King e1, king e2, something like this. Takes. And we're equal, but his king is better. And that's why he's slightly better. Jerry's Gocha, okay, got you. GF Cool Process. Hi, Charlie, you are right. Yesterday, I never listened to your commentary during the game. I just lowered the sound, but I want you to know that looking at the replay is something I truly enjoy. You're the only person that analyzed my game. I know. Dude, we play good games together, man. It was very fun. And, if you ever make a move that I say, I don't think you're cheating. I can tell, or at least I feel like I can tell when I'm doing commentary while I'm playing and someone's taking move after move after move. I can usually tell or have a pretty good idea. You know, and I can just tell that you don't do that, JF Cool Pro. I could tell you don't do that. You're too honorable for that. Christopher Dogger with the 50 stars. Thank you for starting off the stars for the day. Unless, wait, let me double check here. We're double checking, guys. No, guys, if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring and other games after dark, folks. Whatever the heck I want to play is pretty much what I say. And we're gaming tonight, probably going to be playing Elden Ring. There's something we need to do. We might run another NG plus 7, which is actually it's going to be NG plus 16 or something. But it's all 7. We're talking about Elden Ring now for 1 second. Because I want to do this new challenge where I match up with one person, and me and that one person finish the game in a speedrun style with their build. I will copy their build. We'll have 2 of us with the same build rip through the game. And then we'll time it, and we'll have a leaderboard and see who can do it the fastest. It's a great idea. We have not done very much of Elden Ring scaled at the hardest level with 2 of us. We've done a whole bunch of it with 3 of us. So tonight, I think maybe I'll summon random people, but only 1 at a time. You know what I'm saying? So we can get a vibe on the amount of health the boss has and stuff. Because the boss changes a lot when you're NG plus 2 and 3, not just NG plus, but when you summon more people. We'll be summoning 1 less person. Genius Guy says, hey, good game. I was just the person in your game. Are you really? Dude, good game, man. Good game. I'm glad I didn't talk smack. No, I don't usually talk smack. You were fine. Yeah, that was a good game. Very interesting. We're looking for a checkmate, man. And you know what? I saw this line. This was a blunder. I couldn't believe there wasn't a checkmate here. I literally sat back. If you watch the replay of my stream later, you can watch the game. And I'm like, I sat back. I'm like, okay, white to play and checkmate. I thought there was going to be a mate here. There's no mate here. And I saw the line. The line is check and just take. Now I'm up 2 pawns. I'm attacking another pawn. I'm ahead in development, and your pawns are messed up. I mean, what more could I want? This is winning. This is winning for white. But my rook didn't play, and I'm like, I didn't even bring the rook. Is a horrible part. I brought the rook. Yeah, I brought the rook. And then this was just a mistake. This was just a mistake. I could have still traded down right here. Check, take, and take the pawn after bringing the rook. You know what I mean? That was a good game, dude. Yeah, and I think it was a great idea when you played this move too. Stockfish loved it. It was the best move. That was a really, really... I think back here you're supposed to stop the... Here. I think... Rook E8, Rook A7. Rook A7 stops the check. Rook E8 looks weird to me. Well, it hits the bishop, but the checks come still. I don't know why this is bad. Oh, because of the discovered attack on the rook. Yeah. So I was thinking maybe this. Because it stops this malarkey. Because that allows a discovered attack. It also... There could be problems. You know what I'm saying? I thought this was a good move. But in this position, instead, you played, yeah, that's where you played the thing and got in a little bit of trouble. That was a good game, dude. I'm glad you came in and found the stream, too. Would you just, like, look at my profile or something and then come in, or do you know me from before, Genius Guy? You are among the best chess community in the world. Oh, man, tournament starting, guys. Can't wait. I'm going to refresh my browser, guys. Be sure your browser is refreshed. "45 seconds, guys. Grab my water. Tournament starting now. Get to your boards. Be sure your browser is refreshed. Join the tournament. Oh, I told you we're going to do unboxing too. It's going to be the world's fastest unboxing. Oh my God, my game already started. This is you. No, he didn't make. See how the game was started over? I thought that was you, genius guy. I get Daniel. Daniel plays E4. We play the E5 maneuver against Daniel. We got. What are you guys all? Are you guys all watching the World Series of Poker? What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guys. We got champions here. We got DeBremer, who was the first one in the tournament. Daniel Stamidis, myself, Amo Quiet, and Daniel, who I'm playing right now. This is awesome. We have a nice, chill 3-round tournament. There's a lot of stuff going on. See if the World Series of Poker is starting. Guys, I paid. Whoa. How was my camera on, bro? Oh, I must have hit the camera button. I don't know. Does anyone not know how to use Android? I had my YouTube window up. Every time I go to the Poker Go site, and this is, guys, don't gamble, dude. I just appreciate poker, and so I paid $20 to watch the World Series of Poker. But where's the, I got it. I think I got to go live. Got to go live. Okay, so their stream isn't live yet. Maybe it's at 4:30 or something? He goes here. Good. We then stop the check. We stop the queen check, folks. Christopher Dogger with the 50 stars. Thank you, man. Play well, Daniel. I want you to crush me. I'm giving you every chance. Yeah, genius guy. Very cool, man. You know, someone told me a long time ago, a FIDE master, who's a friend of mine, who comes to the stream a lot. As a matter of fact, he looks... Oh, you're not on Facebook. If you're on Facebook, I can show you what he looks like, because we have a sticker, an emoji, but it's huge, of his face. He said every time you play somebody, you should send him a link and say, hey, I'm streaming. And I probably should. I just don't. They should have like an auto tell. They used to have an auto tell, I think, on Internet Chess Club. You could say anything you want. Just when game is over, good game, thanks a lot. You could type your own words. I could say, hey man, I'm streaming on Facebook, YouTube and Twitch at Charly Sardo Gaming. He plays the C3 Manunu, defending the knight that was not protected and taking away his natural developmental scenario from his knight. Now this knight doesn't have a lot of fun places to go. There's a square here. He comes back. Okay. I think we take the world's largest El Centro. Now we own the El Centro, folks. Remember, guys, Daniel is one of us. He is a great part of the community. What's the best move here? Is it just like Bishop D6? Knight C6? This develops with tempo. Wait, there's a maneuver, though. There's a manunu. So maybe takes and Bishop E7? You know, I did learn something a while ago here at Charly Sardo Gaming. And that was castle in the Latvians. But the trick about the Latvian is you very often win in the opening. Sometimes there's a manunu. If I play Bishop F5, he has Knight G3. I could play this, attacking the queen. He could make a check. I could come back. He could make a threat. But this one's covered by the knight. Then I could develop and maybe just laugh. Is it wrong to laugh at your opponent, folks? It is when it's your friend, okay? Daniel's my friend. Don't laugh at my friend. He's doing good. He's not losing yet. This is not a move. I'm losing on time. Takes, knight takes. Knight c6. This feels okay, but he has this move. But then I can attack his queen. He comes here. I can take. And then... he's getting developed. Do I want his queen on this square? I'm taking. I think it might be the move, guys. Stockfish approved. Now, just make a Castello. Take the pawn, develop a piece. But what about knight g3? JF Cool Pro. If knight g3, pawn to g6. No way. And then let him play knight takes and takes. Ooh, well, you know what? Takes, bing, here. Takes, pawn takes, bishop e2. And I won't be able to stop the check. Not to say it's that bad. I could just move my king up or something. But I won't be able to stop the check. That's just one line. I'm not refuting it. I'm just saying this is what I'm thinking about now. I think I should castle. Yeah, this is not best. I almost feel like this is going to be the best move. As weird as it looks, guys. He's threatening to come in like Flint. Bring a piece, or just make a Castello. I'm going to make a Castello and maybe lose. Maybe lose. Oh, no, I thought he had bishop g5, but his knight is rather clunky, folks. I thought he had bishop g5 with a lot of pressure. That's not a bad idea of a move. We're going to come here. Wait. Stockfish always tells me to play this move, guys. So we're going to play it. Every time I look at a game in these Latvians, the move is always knight c6. I'm telling you it is. If I come here, he could play takes. If I take here, queen takes here. What if we... I could attack the queen, stir. Where's it go? Huh? Good question, right? Pushing here... He has a couple of places to go. It seems so wrong. I could shove. Because it is made of love. Shoving. Does it lose? Is it made of sad? Is it very bad made of sad? It could be a move made of sadness. You like bishop f5? Earlier on, at what point? Oh, you mean way back when? Okay, now we improve the knight, and we solve the problem. Daniel won his game in handy fashion. DeBremer won his game in handy fashion. And we are holding up the tournament. We're holding up the tournament. This is rough, man. Do I do this and this and leave this here? Just take it later? I could do this because there's no pin, right? I could do this and this. It's a manunu. I can now move this knight, but where? Hair. Where does it go? Does it go with the? Does it roll with the flow? Go where the lonely go? That was an idea, JF Cool Pro. I want to look at that. We might not look at it till tomorrow, though. I think we're gonna have time to look at the games today. I think we're gonna have time to look at the games today because of the fact that it's only a 3-round tournament. Well, it is the biggest stream of the week, folks. Guys, he's up a pawn. He's down in developmental scenario. There's not a lot of... Okay. Do I just take the bishop? It's like, what do I do? Get my pawn back? You know what I'm saying? The bishop was protected 423 times. It's a bishop. But this is the best piece on the board. It's the best piece on the board, folks. Is there anything hanging? No. I feel like this is the maneuver. There's all kinds of stuff though here, guys. I gotta move. It's in the rules from chess.com. I read the rules, guys. I read the rules. I was looking at bishop b6, bishop b7. I was looking at that earlier. You heard me say it, right, Dave Joyce? I almost did it, but instead I'm kind of wanting to play some ideas on some of this, and then maybe ideas of taking, and there could be a take and like a take and queen takes and a knight. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? There could be malarkey. B6. One thing about B6 is cool is it does reinforce the C5 pawn, but the square is still here, so it's something we have to consider, especially if we play this move. But I got to get this guy into the game, guys. He needs, because he's feeling lame. Oh yeah, another idea was takes. Takes, and if but I think I want to do this, and then taking. Well, we'll have to see what happens. But if queen takes, we can maybe get this pawn back with a pretty good position. Another grandmaster maneuver. Before Dave Joyce says it in chat and people think I'm cheating, at any point I may play king h8, guys. I might just play king h8. Let me see. Yeah, Dave Joyce hasn't said it yet. And here's the reason why. You can't leave your king where there could be a check at any time. You do not let your opponent have a check in pocket. Wow, he just goes. He just goes. I could take check, but that doesn't work. Do we just take the undeveloped and then just take this and like... I think we're still pretty good. Takes pawn takes here. I'm not sure what to do in such positions, guys. I almost feel like I need to get rid of this. Keep the bishop? I almost feel like keeping the knight is better, but you know what? It's not like his bishop can't just come, right? I guess we take here. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Okay, now. I think we just start getting developed, folks. And the great thing about this move, it stops the check. It stops the check. It's kind of like you're supposed to just play King H8, but I'm going to be too lazy. I'm just going to cover the diagonal instead. This is a Band-Aid. You know what? Band-Aids prevent infection. Oh my God, he's coming at me like full spider monkeys. Make me wish I never put this here, guys. That loses. This could be a move. That could be a move. I just moved, guys. Guys, I'm down to 2 minutes on the old chess clock. I'm not okay here, folks. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. Best community in the world. Definitely want to get involved. He's up. And I did this, guys. I did this knowing he might fall for it. I knew I did it. I mean, I wasn't hoping. It still might have been the best move. It was a move. But I didn't really expect it to happen like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, there were ideas of takes, and then with the knight check because the bishop's hanging, but he can get this one, but I can get this one. It just kind of was depending on what was going on at the time. Dude, Daniel, you played good, man. I gave you a chance to go wrong, but... Okay, like, what's better? I mean... Okay, he takes that way. I could check... No, just... Oh, we take this way. We take this way because of this. And this. Can anyone say too much? Gotta say it just like that, though. Too much? He brings the knight. Now, I could just win a pawn. But I think there's more here. He's attacking my queen stir. So we'll do the check. Queen E5. And then we come here. With a checkmate scenario, folks. It's a move. It's a real move. It's a maneuver to be proud of, folks. I think I could do this. I could do this. No, I can't. This is an idea, and this. Yeah, that's my idea. I come here. And then I do this. And we make his life mucho miserables, guys. It was a play, guys, on Broadway. You guys didn't see it. Don't even know how to spell it. It's called Mucho Miserables. WTF is he doing? Chill out, brother. He's rated 820 chess.com rating points. There's a free piece where? Where? I don't see it. I missed a free piece. I don't see it. He brings the knight because it is made of fright. How do I come here? Or do we just put the pressure on? I think we're okay to do anything we want to. This is protected technically. If I come to this square, it doesn't do anything. If I come to this square, king up, bishop here, he can't cover this square. So let's just move in. Let's just move in and try and take him out, folks. Queen e5. Did I have something on e5? Okay. I guess he does have a maneuver. He's the best piece on the board. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose on time. I'm gonna lose on time. Hit the knight. What did I? But this knight just got here. This knight just got. Oh my god. I think he had to play king up, but he knows that is probably Jiminy Christmas. I just moved without even looking. Hey, 26 digits. How you doing? Oh my god, there's no back rank mate. Come back to the happy place. Oh my god, thank you. Hey, Reckless Recky. Hey, how you doing, man? 261 digits. Reckless Recky with the follow. Thank you guys so much, man. What were you guys playing? Let me guess. Chess, right? Did you have 30? He resigned. Dude, I got 35 chess.com seconds, man. Make a threat. You're good. Thank you, man. XIMCMP. First time chat from Raider. Well, welcome, Raiders. You play chess, you were 1100. Cool. I do a chess tournament every Wednesday, and this is the tournament. And I just played one of us. It's only a 3-round tournament. This is round 2. We usually have more players than this. Not going to lie, but hey, man. We got 6 players, and we're having fun. They range from 18 or 1900 down to what? Daniel's 1919 all the way down to 662, and we go even bigger ranges than that sometimes. Sometimes we'll have 2300s and 200s. It's an open tournament. Oh man, we just saw this game. He knew what he was doing. I had to look at my map. I looked real quick to say, wait, this is Buck. Wow, Buck is wild, guys. Buck knows this. Okay, I can take and mess up. I can... It gives up the pair. It gives up the O pair. And messes his pawns up. But are they that bad? You know what I mean? If I come back, he could push. So, you see, Buck's doing fine here, guys. He's attacking my bishop is the problem. I'm going to take and mess his pawns up. And then just castle. Just make a castle, a Castello, if you will. I could attack the pawnster and... No, just castle. I'm done messing around. I forgot I was playing Buck. Kingle, what's up, dude? This... we are playing... Today, we are playing regular chess. This is just a game of chess. Now, I feel like I need to play this move. I feel compelled, guys. The power of c3 compels me. Because if I go take, he can just give this up if he wants to. Although he'd be pretty weak over there. So you know what? We're going to go ahead and say... No, but then how do I ever defend it? I kind of want to play c3 anyway. I'm just going to do this. I feel okay about this. Dude, you played a good game, man. You played a good game as always. Now we bring this to this square. Attacking. Attack king. Defending. Rook takes, rook takes. There's nothing there yet. think I want to come here. Look, just looking at stuff, guys. It doesn't do anything. Maybe this move first. There's no shot here, right, guys? There's no shot. There's no shot. Stop saying there's a shot. There's no shot, guys. I could improve. Hopefully he gives this up. I really want to bring my pieces into the game, though. Like, this knight says, I want to play chess too. I want to be a real boy. Thank you, Reckless Recky, for the follow. 26 digits for the raid. You guys are cool. A-Code says, just kidding. This was king of prank back when another rocking prank get pranked. Who got pranked? Dude, 1900 ELO is ding. Hey, man, did you order some pizza? Yeah, I don't get it, brother. This is not Elden Ring. Did I miss a free piece? What is he talking about? Was there a free piece, Dave Joyce, that I missed? Just move. Anything. Anything. Anything is better than nothing. You know what I'm saying? Bro, are you GM? No. What age you started chess? Well, I learned how to move the chess pieces, if that's what you're asking. I learned how to move the chess pieces when I was young, around like 11 or 12 or something. Ooh, that's kind of a cool square. With the Isolanu, with the Pikulanu, guys, and the dark square weaknesses. This could be a move, too. This could be a move, too. They're all Manunus, guys. This could be a Manunu. That's why I kind of want to do this Manunu. Going. I'm just going, guys. Yeah, what time did you start, Reckless? Oh, he comes here. Now I could attack. We can take a bishop. Or we could pin a knight. E5 comes. I could play queen f3. With ideas. Queen f3? Connecting the rooks? It seems a little bit... Should I just rip this first? Probably should. Queen f3, creating pressure. Reckless Recky, what age did you start? I'm not a GM, but neither is Levy. Okay, I thought he might do that too. Yeah, so we just take here. Now we have kind of what we were hoping for. The massive weaknesses, multiple scenarii, the dark square stuff. I don't know, man. If they live in same timeline. Charlie, who was better, Murphy or Magnus? If they live in the same timeline, you know what? It's actually kind of hard to say. It's kind of hard to say. Because Morphe was a genius in that timeline. But Magnus has shown nothing but being a chess genius too. But you know, Magnus got to where he got from like absolute working like a psycho. Right? Now, if I come, no, I don't like it. If I come, it doesn't work. So we have to do this. But this is not a bad move. Because it blocks and it blocks. You feel? So it seemed, you know what I'm saying? I never heard anyone talk about Paul Morphy and his massive amount of how hard he worked to become a better chess player. I never heard that. I'm not putting the old man down. I'm just saying. Push. He's kind of on my pawnster, guys. It's a weak pawnster. I can't really defend it. I can't defend her. I mean, I could defend her in stupid ways, but I ain't trying to be stupid. If I push and he pushes, a little easier to defend. I could play this move. It must be best. Bring in the last piece must be the best maneuver on the chessboard. He quit chess so young. Morphe died. I saw a video of Pia playing Magnus. I saw it too. I haven't watched it either. Paul Morphy was a legend. He was. Two best player in generation is Paul Morphy and Bobby Fischer. Yeah, there's a lot of opinions on that. It was all winning, but my question is, he kept saying I gave up a free piece. I'm like, what's he talking about? I didn't see it. Like I could have won a free piece, I think is what he was saying. I'm not saying I played the best moves. I'm specifically curious about, there was a piece? I left a piece hanging? At least I'm a queenster, folks. Paul Morphy passed away at 47. That's a little young. A little bit of a youngster. There's a lot of stuff happening here, guys. Knight really wants to come to this square. The queen can come to the dark squares and defend the rook. It's a pretty good move, huh? I'm going with it. I rolled with the flow, folks. Man, how the hell are they so much good at chess? Kingle, a lot of times they just started at a time where they could absorb everything quickly. And it's not necessarily about moving pieces, about memorizing openings. Although, if you're going to memorize a bunch of openings, the younger you are, you might do better with it. Just learning the tactics, understanding the patterns, when you're young, you have that will to learn and that passion and all that energy. And if you can focus that on something, you can get really good at anything. Oh, who was talking about it? Yeah, I saw this move. But then I think I had this, right? If I come back, he takes. So I think I have to do this. It's not too bad. I think he's okay, though. It kind of sucks. This doesn't do anything. I can play bishop. Don't he's on my queen. I gotta move. I gotta move, folks. Man, how the hell? Yeah. You played most game in my life. Reckless Recky, what does it mean? You played most game in your life. I believe you are not, English isn't your first language and you speak really good English. But when I say I don't understand it, like I played most game in my life, I'm not sure what that means. Could you rephrase that so I can understand you? Where are you from, Reckless Ricky? What's your first language? Brings it back. Why? Could I play this? No, I can't. I have to save my queen. We're gonna come here. I almost put it here. You said I played most greatest game in my life. You're Albanian. Okay. You're saying you play... You're saying... Yeah, I think everyone has played their best game before, right? You think you played a game better than you will ever play in your entire life? It won't get any better than that? It's pretty strong, bro. That's strong. That's strong like bull. Sacrificial idea, lamb idea. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff. I'm trying to Calvin Chambers. Yeah, we're started and it's only a 3-rounder today, man. 3-rounder. We could have used it, Calvin, but dude, I appreciate you been coming around more and come see us. Definitely play next time. Definitely play next time. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, and you were looking at chat is the best community in the world. We don't have one chat, but we are across multiple platforms. I didn't even look at what the threat was, guys. I just am like, I think I can play here, and now I'm getting this square. Things are looking pretty gnarly. I don't know. Hopefully I can make tomorrow. Might shoot you a challenge, Calvin. I'll be here, brother. I can play really good with no time pressure. I bet you can. I don't mean it like that. I will play better games, but in this week, I've been playing good. Reckless Ricky, good for you, man. I never really feel like I'm playing good or I'm playing bad. I guess maybe sometimes I feel it a little bit. But your rating is just your rating, you know? Your rating is some weeks you play bad, some weeks you play good. And then your rating kind of levels out where it is, moves around a little bit. Rating shouldn't move around too much. I see people say, I lost 200 points. I'm like, I have never lost 200 points. I don't understand how that happens. How did you even get 200 points if you lost 200 points? This is a mistake. What am I missing? This is Buck. Buck's okay. Buck's making dinner. Buck's making dinner or something, guys. You just dropped a rook. Taking the rook. Am I getting baited or something? Oh, I didn't see it. Did I lose a piece? Oh my God, I didn't see it. A bishop moves backwards. Okay, so he loses a pawn. I can take. No, because that loses that. So we're going to go ahead and take here. I didn't see it, guys. Oh, wow. I'm so lucky. I'm not seeing any of this. I'm not seeing any of this. Buck sees everything, yet my position still holds. I just dropped my bishop. Not even seeing that I was going to save it. There's no back ranks. He can't get my knight. He can't pin it. Wow. I think I can get to this and hit this and make this move before I can get to this. Okay, he comes here. I think we have to take this because it's in the rule book, right? You cannot. One does not simply let somebody have a free piece. No, I don't mean it like that. Oh, yeah. No, bro, you are better. Well, you know, there's a lot of people that are better, right? We are all doing the best we can to improve our chess scenario. My rook is better than his rook. But it doesn't mean much. His knight's in the rim too, but like he's defending it though. You know what I'm saying? I have a minute. I think I should play this and then king up. Or maybe king over now. Yeah, this is a good move. This is a good move. You know what? Okay. He's looking at my square. I could come here and give him that. Do I, though? Or do we just come here? But then, backward pawnster. I guess I could do this. Here, what do I do? I'm getting passivity. Oh, I can take here. And just be up a pawn. I'm down material. Do we win the endgame? Can we prove it? I don't know what to do. I just feel like I got to get my king out. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Touchdown, Charlie to the rescue, folks. Okay. No. I'm losing on time. We're okay. Could we get a moderator on Twitch? Cheap viewers on streamboo.com. Don't go there, guys. It's gonna be a hack for sure. See, now I can come here and here, though. That's a problem. I am Magnus, guys. I am Magnus. I am the endgame king. Dude, Magnus outplayed Chimera today in a totally equal endgame. And they just kept playing, they just kept making moves. Now, I think this is good. But I think this is better. You can't win the pawn, guys. There's a way to... This is probably a draw. Next round is up. I think I'll get Daniel. Try and play a good game. Daniel, good luck, my friend. How do people join pro chess games like famous tournaments or other qualifications? Well, you got to start off by... it's a million miles between here and there. So you got to start off by like getting your rating up, playing tournaments. And then once you get there, you'll see the path. You know what I'm saying? But it's like saying, how do I do a spacewalk on the moon? It's like, well... You might have to learn how to fly an airplane first. You might have finished high school first. You know what I'm saying? It's like, you don't need to learn that right now. They just, a lot of times it's by rating, though. A lot of times it's by rating. Title, rating, popularity. Top 10 players and rating is a big thing. That's why they're very, very careful not to lose rating points. They don't want to lose any rating points because big tournaments, they got big money. They're like, we got the top 5 rated chess players in the world. Har, har, har. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This can be a win, man. Oh, I'm not going to give you mod, brother. Thank you, Dave Joyce. Yeah, thanks for offering Reckless, but I don't need mods right now. Okay, now I got to start looking at what he's doing because I wasn't really paying attention. We played this game the other day, didn't we? Was it probably pretty similar? Just want to play b6, bishop b7 maybe. Look at his king. Be a good idea, I think. I think this is a move, right? I think it's a move, guys. Because of all the beautiful things that come with it. It's a good move. Yeah, good luck to you, Daniel. I would like to beat Daniel one time, guys. I've had much better positions multiple times. I don't know if I've ever beat Daniel. Because I like, you know, I'll get a good position and then I blow it. And then, because he hangs in. You know what I mean? He's not a quitter. Now, I could take this, messing things up. He does that. If I do this, the knight comes. My knight lives. He's threatening takes. He's threatening to develop my queen, guys. That's bad. Takes, knight takes. Looks good. Do I play b5? But then this is gone, so do I just take this? Because he's threatening to win a pawn now. This could be a move. No, because when he takes... Well, I could take with the queen. He could come here and get this. So those tactiques don't work too well for me. Takes, knight takes. Like, this can't be the best move, but I feel like I need to do it. And I'm not seeing anything else. Queen b6. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how to defend this square again. This was a pretty cool move. It posed problems for me, guys. Would love to come here. Let's play bishop f2, though, is the problem. I gotta move. I took a bishop. I took a bishop, guys. I had to move. I had no choice. I had no choice. I had to move. It's in the rules. Now to play b6 instead of b5 to protect the square. I think this takes. You come here forking. Dude, the knight, this pawn is kind of... Come in here. To protect the b6 square. Charlie, what do you guys do after tournament? Is there any more fun event? Usually the tournament goes long. And so the fun event after the tournament is to eat food. Okay, that's a square. But I could come here. This could be the best move. This could be the best move. Oh, he's threatening this square too, though. Takes, make a play. Pawn takes first. What the heck just happened? Old Jedi Gamer just gifted a tier 1 sub on Twitch. Old Jedi Gamer, thank you, man. You did that the other day. I appreciate it very much. I appreciate it very, very much. Takes. No, a pawn takes helps him. Come here. I think we come here. Where do we come here first? No. There's a little bit of a threat here, guys. A little bit of a threat here. Knight takes check. If I come here, place g4, what do I do? Push d5. Takes. Might be all right. Oh, he'll check here. Bishop takes, pawn takes. And I can't castle over there, but that's not the end of the world. I've had bigger problems in my life. I don't know what to do. I'm not going to lose on time. Yeah. Thank you, Old Jedi Gamer, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Massive support. Support today has been amazing. You're watching on Twitch, hit that follow button. It's actually, yeah, follow button, right? YouTube, you can hit the like button, subscribe button, and you can hit the member button to get access. Same thing with subscriptions on Twitch. And they're all different names, guys, and subscribers or supporters on Facebook. We do chess workshops. Do we say the next workshop? I usually announce them today. I was supposed to do one last weekend, guys. But, you know, we had internet problems, so I had them come fix it. What month are we in? Augustus? That's next month. Today is the 16th, right? I'm going to have to commit to it, man. Ooh, saves the bishop. Wow, that's probably a really good move. Kick it now, I can. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, guys. That's probably the move. Excuse me. Hey, Nawat's got it. Nice. Old Jedi Gamer has gifted a total of 6 Twitch subscriptions. Thank you, dude. All right. I'm just trying to get this knight not here before this knight has to go not here. You could drop in here and get that. Takes. I get a pawn. You can attack. He owns the dark squares on the king side. Maybe I don't castle there. The center's kind of locked up. Just kind of hide. You know what I'm saying? Maybe castle queen side if I need to. Just got to be careful about the dark squares on the queen side if he gets this move in. Could be naughty. Could be naughty. If knight, I rip. If knight, I rip. If shove, I rip. A lot of ripping involved, folks. He could move the knight back and come back here or something. He could. He really could. Takes, bishop takes. Maybe even push this way. Why give him... He does that. Now I could come here and I could get his dark squared bishop. That can't be best. This dark square bishop doesn't seem to be doing anything fancy or healthy. He might get to this square. Should I play f6 now? Bishop and then castle? Takes. That's not near as bad. I'm not castled. And he's probably going to play this move. And then he's going to want to come in like this. So I think I have to castle. Oh, wow, this is rough. Maybe just develop? Maybe develop? What if a guy developed his bishop, guys? What am I going to play on bishop h4? Just move the queen? Do this? Guys, I got to move. I'm going to lose on time. I'm just not seeing good moves. I got in a little bit of trouble here, guys. I'm 2 moves behind development. He completely beat me in the tempo game, guys. It's pretty rough. It is made of gruff. Remember, was it 3 Billy Goats Gruff or 2 Billy Goats Gruff? Remember that book? I don't remember it exactly, but I kind of remember it a little bit. I just remember there's a certain number of Billy Goats Gruff. That's all I remember. I don't have a good memory. Remember's more than 1, less than 5. Was it 4 Billy Goats Gruff? No. Was it 2? No, I think it was 3 Billy Goats Gruff. Okay, we promised we would move. It's protected. It's weird. It's not your happiest thing in the world. But you know what? Okay, now I think. Oh, I can't do it though. Can I do this? No. Is this a maneuver? No. I had to move, guys. It's in the rules of chess. It was definitely 3 Billy Goats Gruff. Derek, man, you remember. Dude, you were the first one in the tournament today, Derek. I love that about you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for playing. Playing a game of chess, folks. We're playing a game of chess. I'm not losing on time. Okay, we have to take it. We lose a piece. The knight comes. There's no forks. Just gonna kind of improve our posizione. It's French, guys. Pushes, we just rip with a free pawn and pressure down the C. Filio, guys. Filio. Plays knight back. Oh, wow, because of this square would check. Is it good, though? Rook takes, queen takes, check, come back. He gets this. So it is good. It appears to be winning some material. Takes. I get some checks too. I don't know what else to do. Oh, we can just play queen check first. Oh, no, they have this. It's a game, guys. It's a game of chess. Huh. Okay, now. I could come back. Or I could come here. Or I could come up. What if I come up? What if I come up? Did I just lose a piece or something? No, I didn't have to take anything back, right? I lost a pawn. Yeah, I lost one of many. Takes. Now I have to take or I lose. Could be some threats here, guys. Not gonna lie. Yeah, it's a good move. I have check, and then I'm losing. Because my king is just too much. King is a little bit too much. Check. Laughs. It can't come anywhere good. I could counterattack. You could check, and I lose. If I come back, he has the rook. I think I can resign. I think I can resign, guys. Check. There's the problem is there's no. The problem is there's no good squares for any pieces, guys. He's attacking with 3 pieces. I have 1 defender, guys. It's not good. It's not made of wood. If there was anything to do here, I would try and do it, but guys, there's nothing. Like, I bet the best move is something like this. If I come to this square, I'm losing, guys. Oh my god, he has a knife fork. He had check. Wait, okay, he does this. Oh yeah, it's losing. Yeah. I was in a totally losing position. Good game, Daniel. I mean, yeah, Daniel. Daniel Stamidas with first place, 3 out of 3. Me with 2 out of 3, second place, and DeBremer with third place. Now, we do have class prizes, guys. But the thing is, everyone might win today because almost everyone's going to win because of what happened, because we didn't have that many players. Daniel won the Open, first prize. I got second. DeBremer got third. Daniel at 808 won the... Well, no, actually, wait, no. I don't know if I give that to Daniel or Pilot Cougar. I think Pilot Cougar won the under 1300 because he got 1156 with 0 points. There is anyone under 500. There's no one under 500. I don't know how that works. If I'm supposed to just take the knight with your queen. Oh my god! Oh. Just take the knight with your queen, LOL. Well, yeah. I'm not even sure how to reward these prizes, man. We've talked about this before, and I either didn't understand it or I forgot. But first prize, outright, in the Open, Daniel Stamidas. I got second, DeBremer got third. And the best under 800 definitely goes to, well, DeBremer got third, though. So I have no idea how to... We need more players to make it easy to know who won, guys. Isn't that weird? I need to switch to a laptop. This fat thumb is... Oh, dude, you got to get a laptop for chess. Am I the only person who was lost in every category? Dude, Buck. I completely missed... I thought you blundered, and I didn't see that you weren't losing anything. And then I hung my bishop, and yours was hanging too, and I could check and pick it up, and I didn't even realize that. It was 2 complete oversights in a row. And it just ended up, it didn't lose. It was crazy, Buck. Good game. You played a good game. Kristen Kehoe, thank you for the share. Daniel, good game, man. Good game. Guys, if you guys like what you see, hit the thumbs up button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. All those buttons, guys. Every button you can see, just hit the buttons. It's a good thing. Say goodbye on your way out. I got to make dinner, guys. I got to make dinner. I got a gaming stream later. We're going to game. Gaming stream. Maybe I'll try to do this gaming stream on Facebook tonight, too. It's been a while since we restreamed to all 3 platforms, folks. All 3 platforms. Okay? So be ready for that. Freaking love you guys. Thank you guys. I will catch you guys later. How many people we got on? We got 4 people on Twitch. Guys, Twitch, don't go anywhere. I'm going to pick you guys the world's greatest chess streamer. We got rated tonight, right? Raids are good. Filtered. All I need is English. All I need is English. Okay, maybe filter is English. Yeah, English. I ain't like that, except for the fact that my... Oh my God. English. Go. So why won't it let me... Okay, there it is. There it is. Play me, I can't lose. This guy has 4 viewers. Rapid Chess with New Studio on leadchess.org. 2 viewers. I'm looking for that guy that looks cool, or that guy or gal that looks cool. Freestyle chess. Looks like they're just kind of replaying the freestyle tournament. Some puzzles, guys. We should do puzzles. Some puzzles for a good night. Bang, we're going. Twitch, I've been sent. Now it says you can't raid her. Why do they do that, guys? Why do they even do that? Why do they say, like, raid this person? And it's like, you can't raid that person. Okay. Yeah. I ain't trying to be hard. Play me, I can't lose. Let's give this guy a chance, guys. Well, he's got 4 viewers on Twitch. We got 4 viewers on Twitch. Play me, I can't lose. I like his attitude. Start raid now. Here we go, guys. We're going to go check his stream out. For everyone else, I freaking love you guys. We'll catch you guys later.